Hello friends, first of all welcome to my channel. I hope all of you are doing well. Guys, this video contains a very beautiful, stylish and exquisite, easy to make, simple, beautiful, trendy ideas of hand embroidery, and the whole collection of our today's design items is totally based on one embroidery stitch, one style of pattern, that is botneck embroidery designs. Botneck style hand embroidered patterns. Simple and beautiful patterns of embroidery are being shown. The creativity of these and the use of these very beautiful patterns of embroidery is that you can use them for making necklines of your shirts, kurti, gown, blouse, peplum, and any type of the top or upper wear more beautiful and creative. Guys, I would suggest you that this video is a collection of different colors, that is dark fabrics along with a very beautiful blend of light color floral threads of embroidery and some light colors along with very beautiful bright color combination of silky threads to make the embroidery pattern more beautiful, complete, elegant, and creative. So before going into the further details, I have a simple request that if you are new to my channel or you haven't subscribed my channel or you are watching my video for the very first time, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel. And while subscribing, press the bell icon so that you could remain notified with the latest updates and uploads on my channel. Guys, we try our best on daily basis to share amazing and trendy ideas with you. And this is not only limited to this. The broad scope and concept is much more. So now let's move back towards our main ideas. Guys, simple and basic embroidery stitches like lazy daisy stitch, like French knots, like chain stitch, like satin stitch, like simple and basic forward stitch based Brazilian embroidery patterns are being shown. If you are a hand embroidery beginner or you are an artist of hand embroidery and you are in search of very beautiful, creative, and trendy ideas of hand embroidery, then friends, this video collection is absolutely for you. You are at a very good pace, good place, at a right platform. So, if we talk about the base or the fabric, then you can use blended fabrics, cotton, lawn, and any type of organic fabric that is continuously usable, breathable, and comfortable to wear in this extreme warm temperatures because summer is in its full swing. So I hope that you are liking the ideas. The basic and main purpose of our making videos is that we want to share design and ideas with you. We don't have any intent of reclaiming someone else's work as our own. So with your love and support, we have reached at this level. And with your love and support, we will continue to grow. So if you have already subscribed, then you can subscribe from many other devices as well, because subscribers are very important. So with this, allow me to leave. Stay blessed. Stay tuned for our new upcoming videos and comment below the comment section that which design you like the most and what you want us to share with you in our new and latest upcoming videos. Up till then, take care. Once again, thank you so much for watching my content.